Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Discover app to set payment reminders. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your mobile device. Navigate to the app store that corresponds with your device. For Android users, locate the Google Play Store, and for iOS users, open the app. In the search bar at the top, type Discover app, press the search icon to initiate the search. Once the app appears in the search results, tap on it to view more details. Ensure that the app is developed by Discover Financial Services for authenticity. Next, locate the Install or Get button and tap on it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, you will see an Open button on the app page. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Discover app icon to open it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the account setup. Once logged in, navigate to the Payment Reminders feature. Set your preferred payment amounts and due dates. Save your settings to ensure you're notified for your payments. Congratulations, you're all set to use the Discover app for payment reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.